I didn't get a car. I didn't get a truck either. I got a truck. You know what that is, don't you? A truck is something in the neighborhood of what I got, which is a 1970 Jeep CJ5. Oh, you can go woo all you want to, but you are not going to see a brother drive around a 1970 Jeep CJ5 with a Chevy 350 big block V8 supercharger transmission and blower stack, no hood. That didn't bother me. What bothered me was the fact this thing came complete with 4 big old huge goddamn truck tires on there, hot dang big. The tires are bigger than I am. There's birds in a fender well. I gotta climb that? Jeez. Well, I do have an emergency pack. Let me see what I got. Grappling hook. Let's see, climbing rope. Harness. Harness. Copperfield, I'm gonna kick your butt when I see you, man. Shake hands with that dude once, man. All of a sudden, stuff is in my bag. Kitty, you're not going. You gotta stop. Kitty is not going with Daddy. Do we understand each other? See, now you people are sicker than I am. I'm talking to my hand, all right? And you're buying this. Stay right here, Kitty. Don't you give me don't hurt that kitty, you jackass look. It's an invisible cat! I don't care. Stay right there. Be right back, kitty. I got a truck to climb. Excuse me. You hold him. Hey, Whiz. Come here, you hold Kitty. You put him, you hold on to Kitty. That's cool. Hey, look, whatever you do, don't put him in your lap. Okay. Fender. Okay. That's how big this stupid truck is. Start this thing up. Let's see here. Is this ignition?
Yes. I do believe so, Mr. Connick. Now start. I said, come on. What?
That's cool, man. My heart's going. And you truck enthusiast over there. That's another story. Let's not talk about that. Okay. Renter's rule number 1. It ain't mine. And if you're laughing, you've done this too, all right? Renter's rule number 2. Clutch. Hey, look, if it isn't yours, ignore it.
I love the smell of burnt coach in the morning.
I love that accelerated pedal, man. Reverse is cool. Hitchhikers are fun. Especially if they don't know you make noise. 2 guys standing out there, right outside the park, just standing there. One guy, I don't know how long they've been there. One guy looks like this. Why isn't this guy falling? The dude next to him looked weirder than he did. Oh, I gotta stop, man. It ain't mine. Hey, you got a tire fart here. It ain't mine. Hey, you guys want to ride? Hey, popsicles. Hey. Now that woke him up. And a couple of chipmunks just exploded in that tree over there, so. Come on. Hey, what's happening, man? All right, we got to ride. Hey, come on, John, get up, man. We got to ride, man. Come on, get up, man.
Far out, yeah.
Hey, come on, let's go, man. Tell me how to live. Come on up, man. Hey! Hey! Up there! Hey, you with the warehouse with tires on it, hey! Yeah! Hey, man, how am I gonna get up there? Ain't got no climbing gear! I'm sorry! No step ladder! Hey, man, this thing for Bocala or something? Never mind. Here's a rope. Oh, no! Sorry, kitty. Hey, man, don't worry about that stupid cat. Tastes like chicken. Go on, let's go, man. Get in the back seat, Sean.
Okay, yeah.
So what's up, man? Hey, what's up in there, man? What's up, Cheech? What you working on? Hey, man, I'm still in that series, you know. Hey, we just want to go cruise around, man. Where you want to go, man? Hey, man, take us downtown to that one club, the one in downtown, man. We can get the snot kicked out of us. I know where that is. No problem. All right, I like that truck. It's got dingo balls, man.
man, this isn't your truck, is it?
Now, how do you know that?
Far out, yeah.
Hey, welcome to the conversation. Hey, man, can I turn on the radio, man?
Yeah, sure, man. Let me turn up the volume a little bit here. Let's see what I can do here. Paul Harley.
Rush Limbaugh.
That classical station sucks.
I don't know what you call me.
Oh, hold the wheel. What? Hold the wheel. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm glad Stevie ain't driving. Hey, Metallica.
No, turn that junk off. I don't want to hear that, man. Hey, check it out.
Hey, what, man?
Look what I got, man.
What?
2 idiots next to us in a Kawasaki Ninja bike.
Oh, hey, smoke 'em, man. Hey, go on, smoke 'em, man.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, come on, man. If it ain't a Harley Davidson, it's a crutch rock kid. Oh, come on, man. Freak 'em out.
Okay. Hey, yo, man. Hey. I said, hey.
Hey, man. What? A chipmunk just exploded in that tree. Alvin!
Hey, sorry about the horn. You guys all right?
Yeah, we're fine. Yeah. Right, butthead, we're fine. Hey, shut up, baby.
Oh, no. I'm out here. Right through the lobby of the hotel they kicked me out of.